Oh boy, am I tired. Fuck, bro. I am so beat down. Let me put my shit down and I'll show you why this room is legit. This room is unbelievable, okay? So, enter through here and then bam, look at this. Look at that, bro.
Kyoto. Time to show you why it's one of my most favorite cities in Japan out of the 20 plus I'd been to, and why you have to dedicate a few nights here. If you're on a strict schedule and you want to see both cities, staying in Osaka might be better because they're so close and because of the better nightlife. But don't sleep on Kyoto. The city's big, much bigger than someone who's never been before will think it is, and I'm here to show you why I loved it. More than Osaka, even. During my whole 1.5 month journey throughout Japan, I had the privilege of staying in both Kyoto and Osaka and dedicate the same amount of nights in both. I had 6 nights, 5 days. Was that enough? You'll soon find out. But before that, we had to get there. And after postponing my arrival to Kyoto this day due to meeting up with a friend, check that video out if you haven't already, we managed to head back to the hotel around 4 PM. And after seeing a sick-ass Lambo, seeing the last of the Tokyo Skytree, and seeing some people play paddle, we arrived back at our hotel.
No way. Bro, that is so annoying. I have 50 minutes until checkout. I need to poop. I need to get my luggage ready. Like, I'm doing... Okay, let me try again.
So I booked late checkout, but appears my code got automatically changed and I had to message staff online. Why online? If you check out my previous videos, you will know that the place I was staying at was all online service.
Finally, the goods have come by. We got the message, thankfully. I have no time at all. I need to take a shit. I need to pack. We have 40 minutes until we need to check out, a bit less, to go to Kyoto. I'm not going to show myself packing. I'm just going to show you my trip to Kyoto right now. Bam, 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 bam. Oh man, all done, all packed. I really freaking hope I don't miss anything. But I am seriously going to miss this room. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't. Oh, I can't be bothered going out, but this fucking room has been fucking phenomenal. I would 100% come back here if I come back to Tokyo. Oh. Damn, it's heavy now. Alright, I'm gonna make a brief. Because I don't have a lot of juice left on this action cam. So, I'll see you in Kyoto.
So the place I stayed at is called Section L Asakusa East, a place I love and highly recommend. I don't show you much of the place in this video, but I do in my previous videos, so check those out if you're interested. The only thing is, it is a bit further away from the city area, and with no staff in the whole entire building, getting a cab was hard. So this was my first experience with Go Taxi, an app I highly recommend you get in Japan. And with the taxi arriving very quickly and hassle-free, we make our way to Kyoto. And here we are, Kyoto. It turned night by the time we got there, so wasn't able to record much of the bullet train view. But as soon as we exit the station, we were greeted by the Kyoto Tower, which I was surprised by. Another thing I want to say was that it was by far the worst bullet train experience I had. I didn't know you had to pay for like an oversized baggage seat or whatever, so whole time I was crammed in with my suitcase, and to make matters worse, there was this guy. Some guy who kept sniffling his nose the whole time. It was the most annoying thing. But at least it was just 2 hours.
You see me? I'm gonna walk it because I want to save money. I could save like 10 bucks. I'm all about saving money because like I said, I don't know if I have enough money for what I want to do. I thought on my calculations I had enough for Korea Part 2, but I don't. I'm surprised how much money I've been spending. What the heck? I don't know if you saw that, you probably didn't. 2 stray cats running and jumped up a tree. That's the first time I've seen that in Japan. I already mixed Tokyo, but at the same time, since I've gotten to the city, it's livened me up. Every time I reach a new place, it's just a breath of fresh air, you know. And I can already tell this place, it's gonna be busy too, but it's not gonna be as busy as Tokyo.
Sorry for the annoying suitcase sound. The walkways were like textured, as you could hear. But unfortunately, I arrived at Kyoto at night, which meant the cool looking temple and traditional areas we saw along the way already weren't very visible. But oh well. And we eventually made it to our Kyoto hotel, which might even be better than my Tokyo one. Although it did lack one feature though, so I don't know. But you just have to wait and see.
Is it this way? It's like a bike. Alright, here we go. Reception is 2nd floor. This looks nice. I'll show this hotel because it actually looks fucking amazing despite it looking so like small. Oh, I have checked in online.
Oh, okay.
QR code?
Could you give me your passport?
Yeah, sure. Hi.
So your reservation is for 6 nights room?
Yes, 6
For
nights.
one person?
One person.
No, without the breakfast.
No breakfast. Yeah.
Your room is on 9th floor, 905.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
はい。ありがとうございます。Alright, just did that. 9th floor? What the hell? 3rd floor, bro. This is one of those elevators that does the same thing. Oh, so the highest floor is the 10th floor. I got the 9th floor. It's supposed to be the 9th or the 10th. Unfortunately, I didn't get the highest floor. Fuck. Do I look weird. I'm too red. Anyway. What room is it? 9 or something. 9 or 5. Okay. I'll just show you guys this room because it looks fucking insane. There we go. Whoa. Suitcase and shit is so heavy. Alright. Time to see what this hotel's all about. Oh man. Oh, it's so warm in here. Oh boy. Oh boy, am I tired. Fuck, bro. I am so beat down. Let me put my shit down and I'll show you why this room is legit. This room is unbelievable. Okay. So, enter through here. And then bam, look at this. Look at that, bro. Big ass room. Great view of outside through here. And the other side through here. Fortunately, it's not the highest floor, and you can tell, but it's still so fucking sick, bro. Hey. And then you got a bathroom. Shower, spacious. I didn't know it was gonna be this spacious. This is definitely spacious than the last place. And it costs less too. This place costs, wait, I can actually check. I didn't check. But the last place costed me like 1.4k. This place costed me 1.2k for one more night even. Yeah, one more night even. It's crazy. But yeah, crazy insane day. Let me just say that train ride was cancer, bro. I mean, my friend kind of had a sneeze or like a runny nose, and that guy kept on fucking like, oh, I hate that when like guys just don't blow their nose and they just keep, you know, like you hear that sound, like, bro, blow your nose. What the fuck is your problem? Like, it's so fucking dude, I wanted to kick him in the shins, bro. It's so disgusting. So yeah, not all Japanese are very respectful, I guess. It's so hot in this room. Gotta take my shit off. I'm so beat. I'm so tired. Lugging your shit from place to place is tiring. Regardless of what transport you take. Yes, I walked here because I wanted to save some money. I didn't know the walk was gonna be that, like, kind of intense with my suitcase. It took like 30 minutes maybe. It was cool. I saw a lot of like temple, even though it was really dark. I saw like on my way here, I saw a couple of like temples, and that's the thing. Like Kyoto, I didn't realize it, and you don't realize it, right? You look at it on the internet all the time. Looks like a very traditional place, right? Very traditional. You got a lot of temples, a lot of you know, like girls wearing yukatas and like all that jazz, right? You see on the television, but that's only a smaller part of Kyoto. The rest of Kyoto looks like an actual city, which I honestly didn't know it was like that. Like Kyoto is much bigger than I thought. Than I think me and a lot of like the majority of people who have never been here will think. It's much bigger than it may seem. And it takes obviously not as big as Tokyo. Might be as big as Osaka, maybe even bigger. I don't know. But yeah, I'm excited to be here. Look, I'm done for the day. It was a pretty intense day. Woke up really early. This room's cool. Now, initially, last thing I want to say, now, this place doesn't have a double bed option. I can tell you already right now, these beds are big enough for me, one of them at least. They are like my bed at home as big, like 140 centimeters wide, which is good. It's not a double bed, it's a single bed. I would have split the price with my friend. Unfortunately, like the friend that, unfortunately things didn't work out, you know, he didn't come with me, which is a shame. I asked him, like, okay, when we met up before he came to Japan, I asked him, yo, okay, he's bummed out he didn't experience like a lot of stuff. He was only there for 2 weeks, but he wanted to go with them, not me, which is fucking so shit. But I asked him, you know, like, cause our kind of dates kind of matched up. He could have came to Kyoto with me, and I asked him, and he said, yeah, fuck it, he would. But unfortunately, his friend kind of booked his flight, and I mean, he couldn't kind of change it, I guess. He did go to Kyoto. He said he wasn't gonna go to, like, but they had to go to Kyoto. I mean, you have to go to Kyoto if you go to Japan, right? Like, so they went. So unfortunately, like, I thought what was going to happen was that we were going to share this place, you know, and this hotel only has a twin option. It has a double option, but it's not the best floor. This is the best floor you can get. This is the best room of this hotel you can get. And apparently this hotel is going away or something, or it's being changed by another company in May as well. But this place looks sick. I'll show you more about it later. I'm tired as fuck. I'm done for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Boom.
So that's it for this video. Very short. Not too much other than showing my journey to the new place, like most of my arriving in a new city videos. But the reason for this video is because it just didn't feel right to include this part in the previous video, as the previous video was so different and I didn't want to make that longer than it was and overcomplicate things. As you see this insane hotel room even closer, which was probably the best I stayed in Japan. Maybe. Unfortunately it hit night though, but you'll see more of the insane hotel views the next few days. And for anyone wondering, this place is called SH by the Square. The location was amazing, and even though I booked for the most expensive room, which was the Grand Twin with insane city and river views, it was only 200 Australian dollars a night. Split that with a friend, 100 a night for that. What a steal. But last thing I want to say, as you check out the bathroom area, is that the previous video was about me and my friend walking around Asakusa. This one wasn't. So splitting them up made more sense in the long run, as I had a title and story for both videos. Also, just to separate both videos and mark this one as the start of my Kyoto journey, as well as give me some more breathing room as I upload 3 full-length episodes a week. Hope you guys can understand. But I hope you will continue watching, because the next few episodes are some of my favorites. And I'll show you why Kyoto is a city you have to spend a few nights in.
This is surreal. Part of it feels like I'm in a dream.